Hi, here is the Olympus 35 DC overall conditions, and the bottom part here is the battery compartment using one LR44 battery. Without battery, the camera can't function, so it's better that you spare another battery when you is in travel or vacation. Yep. Next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover, okay. Inside be like this, and here is the test film. Slide from the bottom to the top, and the film tip is into hole at here. Make sure that your film is fully top lah. You see there's some space, so maybe you adjust a bit. Yeah, adjust the center point, then it will fully lock. Then you wind it. Okay, close it. Next thing, by adjusting here the ring at the outer side to adjust the ISO. Just now the film is 400. Yeah. Yep. So we just adjust to 400 will do. How to make sure whether you have loaded the film properly? It's quite easy. When you wind the film, look at here. It will turn together, which means that it's okay already. And it's a fully auto cam. If the environment is too dark, then it will lock the shutter automatically. Yeah. If it's okay, then it will still can shoot. Then we look into the viewfinder. At the bottom part, it will show when you half press, yeah, it will show the current setting for you. And the center point is the rangefinder focus. You will see there is a split image when I aim to the object. And all the way, I just need to adjust the focus to let the object align together, which means that I focus already. Then next thing is the timer. By pulling here down like this, then click the shutter. Wait for it. Okay. So overall it's like this, and here is the flash setting. If you didn't use the flash, then you just put it like this will do. Yep. And overall it's like this. Here is the film counter. It will record how many shots you have took. Then when you should finish, click the black button at the bottom here to let it rewind. Rewind clockwise. Okay, after that, by pulling here to open the back cover and take out the film. Overall it's like this. Hope you enjoyed.